Hello everyone, in this video we'll talk about transportation decision making and uncertainty. This is a full funded PhD project available in University of Canterbury Civil and Natural Resources Engineering in New Zealand. About the project, the transportation infrastructure is currently facing challenges from ever changing disruption scenarios and unpredictability, particularly with uncertainties brought on by climate change and natural hazards. However, most financial analysis tools used to support decision making and planning are benefits cost based, often overlooking these uncertainties. Consequently, there is resistance to make upfront investment when risks are perceived to be low or long-term benefits are unclear. The position is full funded and which creates national collaboratory promoting stimulating prospective and protective environment for researchers. So they are looking for successful applicant background in transportation, energy, civil engineering, industrial engineering, applied mathematics, computer science or similar areas. If you have background related to these areas, then you can submit your application. Good knowledge of mathematical optimization, transportation systems, experience, transportation simulation or modeling in advantage. Proficiency in programming as well, strong interest in resilience engineering and willingness to work in multidisciplinary international team. The supervisor will be Dr. Young, and also there will be a co-supervisor. Application procedure: to apply for this position, please submit your following documents to Professor Dr. Young. So you can send these documents: a short research proposal, a short curriculum vitae, relevant academic transcript, English publication or thesis if available. Then you can send these on that email to Dr. Young. This is a full funded project, and yeah, if you have more questions related to that, and if you want me to make more videos, you can comment in which specific area you want me to make the videos. I will add the link I will add the link of that website in the description of the video, and if you want to hear more about scholarship videos, then you can subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching the video. I wish you best of luck. Take care and bye.